Rainbow Hands!
Hi everyone! Welcome to Rainbow Hands. Today we're going to draw the alphabet A, B, and C. Let's draw the letter A. Next, let's draw the letter B. Now, the letter C. Now, let's go over the letters with a thick pen to make them nice and bold. Now let's read together. A, B, C. Great job! Now, let's draw an apple under A. Next, a pretty butterfly under B. Now, a yummy carrot under C. Let's go over the outlines of the apple, the butterfly, and the carrot with our thick pen to make them nice and bold. Okay, everyone, let's read together. Apple, butterfly, carrot. Great job, everyone! Now let's start coloring. A is for apple. A is red like our apple. Let's color it together. Now, let's color the apple red too. Wow, it looks so yummy! Next is B for butterfly. B is yellow, like our butterfly. Let's color it together. Now, let's color the butterfly yellow too. So cute and pretty! And now, C for carrot. C is orange, like our carrot. Let's color it together. Now, let's color the carrot orange too. Yum! It looks so tasty! Great job, everyone! Let's read them together one more time. A, apple. B, butterfly. C, carrot. Great job, everyone! You did amazing! Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. You did amazing today! See you in the next video. Bye-bye, friends!